Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod on a Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner. It should be the same procedure, I think, from 2001 all the way until 2008 for this specific job. And this is ours right here, left right side, they're identical, but you can see we have play in this one. Okay, right here we have a lot of play, it's going bad and it's making really loud noise when you hit a bump too. And for your safety you always need to replace those when they start going bad. So okay, the first thing that we'll need to do, we need to get this nut loose, but do not get it loose all the way, just to break it loose and leave it there. Okay, so that way we will not mess the front end alignment too much. I mean, it's a good idea always to get the front end aligned after you're doing a job like that, but we'll just try to see if we can actually do it without an alignment, if we keep the nut very close to where the outer tie rod is. And now you need to pull that pin out of there, you need to straighten it and pull it out of there. Okay, this is the one, and we will need to take the nut off of it. This one is with 18mm wrench or socket, it tends to be pretty tight, so you need to take it off all the way. The nut needs to come off the bolt. Okay, right there, we got it loose, and now all you need to do is unscrew it. And now you need to get a hammer and you need to hit on the side right here, not on the bolt, on the side, to break it loose. So it, okay, and you can see it popped up like that. That's the only way to get those loose. And now you need to unscrew it to the left all the way, and we'll need to get the new one. The new one is identical to the old one, it's the same length, so we should be okay with the alignment. Okay, the only thing is it has the grid zerk right here, so we can grease it once in a while. And as you can see, this is the old one, the seal broke, all the grease came out, water got in, and it went bad, and it has a lot of play in it right now. So you just need to get the new one and screw it all the way until it reaches the nut. Okay, right there, we got to the nut now. And all we have to do now, you just need to straighten it and make sure that you go through the hole on the hub right there. And now you need to tap on it a few times, but not too much. Okay, and now we need to install the new nut. The new ones, they always come with a new nut and new safety pin that prevents the nut from getting loose. This is very important, get this one tight and do not forget the safety pin, because if the nut comes off, you're going to lose the steering of your vehicle. You're in big trouble. Okay, get it tight. Okay, you need to make sure that the holes align with the slots on the nut. And you go through the nut and the bolt with a safety pin and just curve both ends. And now you need to make sure that you get that nut tight again, so we do not screw the alignment up. All the way, get it really tight. Okay, and that's the whole procedure for replacing the outer tie rod. As you can see, this was the left side and it's identical to the right side. So you guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.